Hello everyone, welcome to the Milesight People Sensing Products Series Accessories Installation Video Tutorial. In this video, we will demonstrate the installation process for these three accessories: the VB01 multifunctional bracket, the VB02 adjustable angle ceiling mounted bracket, and the VC01 flush mount cover. Let's start with the VB01 multifunctional bracket. Designed for high ceilings and lintel mounting installations, ensuring the device adapts perfectly to both ceiling and wall-mounted scenarios, it features a telescopic pole, compatible with various models, including the VS125 series, VS133, VS135, VS351, and VS126. Simply rotate the knob to extend or retract the pole to your desired length. We offer two versions in different lengths: 60 cm maximum length and 300 cm maximum length. Ensure the compatibility with various installation scenarios. If your device model is VS133, an extra adapter plate is required for installation. Remove the protective cover from the device first, then attach the adapter plate to the device using the 4 included screws. Fix the extension pole to the adapter plate using the designated mounting hole. If your device is a model other than the VS133, you can directly secure the device to the VB01 bracket using the screw holes on the back. From this step onward, we will use the VS125 as an example for the demonstration. Determine the mounting location and drill 3 holes. Insert the wall plugs into the holes, then secure the bracket base to the ceiling or wall. For a clean installation, route the cables through the interior of the extension pole. Secure the extension pole to the bracket base using the provided L-shaped screwdriver. Extend or retract the pole to the desired length. Tighten the knob to secure the length. Adjust the 3-axis ball head to achieve the desired viewing angle. This supports angled installations, keeping the device parallel with the detection surface. Tighten the handle to lock the position securely. The VB01 supports both ceiling mounting and lintel mounting for versatile coverage. Moving on to the VB02. This is a compact mounting bracket with a pivot that allows tilting the sensor. For scenarios where you need to customize the device angle without using an extension rod, the VB02 is the ideal choice. It is also compatible with various models, including the VS125 series, VS133, VS135, and VS126. Installation is simple. Determine the mounting location and drill 3 holes. Fix the wall plugs into the mounting holes, then fix the bracket to the wall plugs via mounting screws. Similarly, if your device model is VS133, you need to install the adapter plate first. You can refer to the VS133 adapter plate installation section in the previous VB01 bracket tutorial. For other models, you can fix the device directly onto the bracket using the screw holes. Loosen the knob to adjust the angle, but do not turn it more than 1/3 of a rotation to prevent it from falling off. Adjust the direction of the 3-axis ball to compensate for the ceiling's tilt, ensuring the sensor remains perfectly horizontal to the detection area for accurate data. Once aligned, tighten it to lock. Finally, the VC01, designed for a discreet look. This is an exclusive accessory for the VS125 and VS125LW, designed to blend your device elegantly into the environment and keep it inconspicuous. First, determine the mounting location and cut a circular hole with a diameter of 192 mm in the ceiling. Next, place the device inside the cover and secure the plate with screws. Then, flip the spring buckles on both sides to a vertical position to prepare for insertion. Finally, push the cover into the hole. The springs will hold it firmly in place. This concludes the installation guide. Thank you for watching.